Sector Alpha 3. Hull inspection complete. Prep teams to deploy for cleaning and tool deployment. Keep her steady. Slow down the starboard side. Perfect, we're on the blocks. Good job, everyone.
Keep it steady. We're clear on this side. Check the tolerances on the starboard bow.
Roger. Readings indicate 5 millimeters remaining.
Hull section 72, reading thin. Mark with yellow pen for cutting. Copy? The perimeter is severely corroded, requires immediate reinforcement.
I did you, Juliet.
Noted. Moving on to the keel section. Tightening this last one up. Grab me another section.
All right, let's get this water out of here. Pump's working well, need to adjust it a bit.
All right, section's looking good. Now for this patch. Hold the position, slowly lower the yellow vacuum hose now. I'm verifying the coordinates, lower a few more feet.
Perfect, lock it down.
Checking for consistency. Looks good. See that joint right there? Cut out right here. And here. Okay, that's it. Excellent. The rust removal looks complete on this section. I'm documenting it for the report now. The rust is coming off in sheets now. This pressure washer is doing the job. Deep pitting here. Mark that one for welding. Copy that, foreman. Marking for welding. All right, time for the test. Let's check this weld. Definitely seeing some porosity here. Mark that for correction. The weld looks solid right here. Yes, foreman, looks good. I'm logging it. Bring up the specs for the next section, over. This patch is prepped. Looking good. The weld is clean, no debris, no imperfections. Good work. The hull thickness on this new section reads 25 millimeters. Recorded as good. All right. Perfect, that's done.
The hull inspection is complete and satisfactory. The new paint job looks sturdy and compliant with the standards.
Excellent work. Anything to note?
Just a final check here, then we can clear it. Tight, secure. Good, let's move on. Everything looks stable here. The pressure's holding and the coolant levels are optimal. Good to go.
All right, 65 volts. Looks good to go. Fire suppression test. Count up 7 green. Recording stuff.
Good to go.
Initiating smoke test. Sensor triggered, alarm active. Test passed.
Good. Line up the next one.
All right, section looks good. Secure it now, check alignment. Condition of the capsule, good. Straps, secure. Label is legible.
Time to get this deck looking brand new. That's much better. Good as new. The paintwork looks solid. Draft marks are aligned with the specifications. Inspection complete. Good work, team. All right, you old rust bucket. Almost there. Got it.
All right, time to get this rusted pipe off. Just needs a little leverage. Easy does it. All right, time to secure this. That's a solid connection. Job well done. Keep the roller steady. Even strokes create a smooth finish. Looks good. Measure twice, cut once. Perfect fit. All right, these need to be tight. Nice work, they look perfect. All right, looking solid. One more check here. Good, the pressure seems stable. Just need to tighten this valve. Perfect.
Timing. Tôi gấp nắp, tôi gấp ghiền cả. Như bẻ ô lấy giờ thuốc lớn đánh bộ lẹ hai lớn cương để hồi trộn như thế.
All right, time to secure this base. Nice, even bead, looks good. Perfect, watertight seal achieved.
All right, lining it up. Wires connected. Let's test it out. Perfect, job done.
Fastening points are secure.
Safety lines engaged. Ready for deployment. Draft marks confirmed and coating looks good. Everything is up to standard. Market complete.
Initiating test protocol. All systems check. Passing green, alert red. Test complete. All parameters within specification. The readings here are accurate.
See the stress points on this antenna?
Good, that matches the specifications.
Issue confirmed.
The system status checks out. Now on to the main control circuits. Copy that, moving on.
Parameters check out. Let's start the sequence.
Main engine's engaged, status is green. Proceeding with departure sequence. Prepare for tow line release.
Bridge, this is the deck. Final mooring line is released. Tugboats are in position and clear to proceed with the undocking maneuver.
Over. Readings confirmed. Let's fire this up. Engaging main power now. Stand by.
Engaging propulsion.
Dock cleared. Steady as she goes.
Proceed with the lift. Maintain a steady pace. Confirm stability. Copy that. Proceeding with the lift. Open floodgate 7 fully. Report status immediately. Floodgate 7 open. Water rushing in fast.
Main systems online. All parameters nominal.
Engaging primary systems. Pressure holding steady at 52%. All good to go.
Looks solid. Good job, team.